In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated email drip campaigns in Pipedrive. Automated drip campaigns are a fantastic way to engage with your audience consistently without having to manually send emails each time. Let's dive in and get your campaign set up in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns section. This is where all the magic begins. In here, you'll find the option to click on Automated Campaigns. It's a feature specifically designed to help you create and manage your drip marketing strategies efficiently. Imagine it as your command center for automation. Next, select Campaign to start crafting your new email journey. Begin by giving your campaign a memorable name. Naming your campaign clearly helps you keep track of its purpose and goals, ensuring it aligns with your marketing strategy. After naming your campaign, proceed to configure your sender details by clicking on Add Sender. This step is crucial because it sets the identity for your emails, ensuring recipients recognize them and are more likely to engage. Security is paramount, so make sure you click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This not only protects your data, but also ensures that your communications are secure. With that done, you'll need to add a compelling subject line to your emails. The subject line is your first impression, so make it count. A well-crafted subject can drastically influence open rates, so be creative but clear. Now it's time to select or create your email content. You can choose from existing templates or start fresh, whatever you decide. Ensure the content resonates with your audience and aligns with the campaign's objective. Once you're satisfied with your email, click on Mark as Ready. This action signals that everything is set for launching. Before moving further, click on More and then select Automations. Here, you'll enter the realm of creating seamless interactions and workflows. Start by clicking on Plus Automation and choose your desired trigger event. This could be something like Deal is added, Person is updated, or Lead is created. Configuring this trigger correctly is crucial as it determines when your email drip campaign kicks in. After selecting your trigger, add your automated campaign as an action. This means your emails will automatically be sent when the trigger event takes place. In the engagement settings, specify any filters for your recipients and set delays between emails. This ensures your emails are sent at the optimal times, maximizing engagement. Finally, fine-tune by defining delays. For instance, you might choose to send emails only on business days to avoid being lost in the weekend shuffle. Adjusting these settings can greatly enhance the effectiveness of your campaign. And there you have it. Your automated email drip campaign is now ready to launch. With these steps, you can effortlessly maintain communication with your audience and nurture leads without additional stress. Happy campaigning!